I'm excited to talk to you about our popular foot drop product, the SaeboStep. The SaeboStep is an out-of-shoe soft brace designed to help people walk again and not have to rely on a bulky, uncomfortable ankle-foot orthosis, or an AFO. Too many times we've seen people wearing an AFO that doesn't fit, causes sores or irritation, and holds someone back from progressing in their recovery. Now, with the SaeboStep, you have options. When you receive your SaeboStep, it comes in this box. When you first open your box, you'll be met with a card mentioning the crocodile. This is an all-in-one tool allowing you to use the SaeboStep on any type of shoe. Next, you'll find your SaeboStep instructions. Here's replacement cord, 2 separate anchor kits, one in black and one in silver to match almost any type of shoe, and padding for extra comfort. Here is your SaeboStep. When opening your SaeboStep, undo the clip that adds extra support to keep this around your ankle. Then undo the Velcro. When you undo the Velcro, you'll see all these different panels. You can cut the fabric to make this a customized size for you. It's a one-size-fits-all. Here you have the BOA dial. The BOA dial is meant for adjusting tension when you're using the SaeboStep. Pull it out and pull out the lace, push it in, and tighten the lace. Here is what the SaeboStep looks like when it's on. Once you have tightened it around your ankle and secured it with the clip, put the lace through the hooks, then push in the BOA dial and tighten until it lifts your foot. Thank you for watching the SaeboStep unboxing video. We hope that the SaeboStep takes your recovery to a whole new level. For more information on the SaeboStep or any of our other innovative devices, please go to our website at www.saebo.com. And remember, when it comes to your recovery, there is no plateau in sight.